Tapos, ito na yung tajin. I think this one for today, and this one is for tomorrow. Bye bye. Hi, hello guys. It's me, Shena again. Sorry. I say it in my nickname. So it's PINAY BISAYA in Belgium. So don't forget to subscribe me and then just click it and like it. So guys, pumunta ko kanina sa mister ko, sa hubby ko sa hospital. Kasi nga almost everyday akong bumibisita sa kanya kasi nga na-accident siya sa work niya. So ngayon, mahabang oras po, 7 hours, then traveling, then umabot ng mga pag pumupunta na dun sa bus stop, sa kaya sa train, nag-lose din ako ng mga time na yan. So, umaabot ako ng mga ano yan. So, from my work, so, mga 8 hours na yan. Tapos, then, uuwi pa ako. So, yung sa pag-ano ko, pagta-travel ko sa mga from my work, sa mga 1 hour. So, sa station. Ang gulo ng sinasabi ko. Magulo yung sinasabi ko. So, yung pala, so kanina, galing ako sa work ko, so 7 hours na ako. Ito na talaga. Then, pumunta ko sa hubby ko, sa hospital. Then, kasi nga bukas hindi nga ako makapunta dahil nga 8 hours ako bukas, tapos traveling ko so mga 2 hours na taking part. Then so I lost a lot of time, then I cannot come to this again. So today I was there for him, so he told me that to order me an online food today for 2 menus for today and for tomorrow. So this is, I don't know what it is. I think this is with the fried rice and with fish. Probably I think this is for tomorrow, and I'm in the mood to eat the pageant. You know, the one with the special thing with like the, so like that. It's like the, how you call it, it's pointing up, parang heel siya. So parang chocolate heels. So I'm gonna look sa arawan. So I think this is the Tajin dish. So if I'm not mistaken, this will be probably yes, this is the one. I can't because it's full of water. It's watery, so it's like a soup with a lot of groentin. I see it in Netherlands. You will see this with a lot of vegetables and then with the meat on it. So meat, no, with fish. Tajin dish with fish. Hindi ko kasi alam kasi yung hubby ko ang nag-order. So hindi ko kasi nakikita sa menu. So hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng tajin yung in-order niya. So anyway, this is very healthy. So So I'm gonna put it closer. So this is it, and then there is no still other one. So fried rice, yippee! No rice, no life. Is the part of our life, the rice. Without the rice, no life. Yes, I'm coming, honey. He's already sending a message because I read notification. I have a special notification from my honey, so I know that that's him. Kabuti na lang wala siya dito, kasi nagagawa ko ng alatag master, you know. So I'm gonna close it back so it's not gonna be cold. So if I eat, it's just feel like warm. So I don't know what it is. This is for the starter. You see this? So now let's it. I don't know how I'm gonna put it out there. It's a lot of messy, you know. I'm not a messy, but it's like it's full of sauce, you know. Like this. So this one, I'm gonna put it to my bones. So that's for throwing away. And then I think I'm gonna keep it like this way because so guys, naputol kanina kasi nga yung asawa ko nagsisend na naman ng message. Kasi sabi ko, pag dumating, na-promise ako sa kanya na picturean ko kasi na-curious din siya sa in-order niya. So, the one I'm eating now is the starter. I was eating already one piece of this one. It's like, how you put toast bread. So, I will dip it with the sauce. Guys, meron pala ako ditong tinola, guys. Diba sa Bisaya, tinola. So, yesterday, I'm making this one. I made with spinach. Kasi nga, if I have my monthly period, I need something to eat, something to make me stronger. So, I made spinach with yung tinola nga, with lemongrass, and then I didn't have any more the onions, the round onions, so I put the spring onions, and then one tomatoes, and then of course I include smoked mackerel. So that that's already perfect because it's the tasty. The taste is so strong. The mackerel, may strong siya yung mackerel. So, yun na yung tinola na may tanglad. Di ba? Tanglad sa Bisaya na siyang lemongrass. Tapos, yung kumbaga sa atin spinach. Yung nire-replace natin sa pag wala tayong sa atin alugbati. Oo, yung alugbati. Masarap. Yun ang pang replacement sa alugbati. So, kainin ko ulit yung ko. Yung starter ko. Guys, yung asawa ko, strict to siya. Kasi yun, strict to yung asawa ko. At saka ayaw niya yung madunglit. Yung sa baka pamamahal. Gusto niya malinis. Sinabi niya wag. Ayaw niya talaga yung katulad ng wag akong magwa-wifey, wag akong mag-channel, wag akong magla-live. Ayaw niya yun. Pero, active siya sa Facebook. Ayaw niya nang nagtutor ako sa loob ng bahay. Ayaw niya. Kasi sabi niya, pag once nalalaman daw niya yan at nakikita niya, shot na yung ko. Yung channel ko. Subukan niya. Baka i-delete ko siya sa buhay ko. Kain tayo guys, mga unta. Lamian kayo eh. Lamian kayo. Parang garlic bread. Ito yung chajin. Chajin with fish and vegetables. Yung special na diba yung ganun? Wala akong ang sarap ng bread. Kuripot. Ito lang tingin sa akin. So tomorrow, my dish again is fried rice with combine it with a fish with small pieces. The one I show you on the picture on the video. So that's it. I don't know which I'm gonna use it. Spoon or mga ang tagal. Mga unta. Bye-bye.